In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can draw balloons in Microsoft Paint. So let's go quick into the process. So first is we need to open Microsoft Paint. So go ahead into Windows search bar and type Paint. To open it, click on it under the best match. Now here in our Microsoft Paint window, you'll find all these options under the ribbon, and here you'll find the shapes. So what we can do, we need to simply choose this oval shape and then drag this plus sign symbol from here. Okay, so let me just quickly, okay, then draw. So depending on how many balloons would you like to draw, so I'm just going to go with this one. Okay, so I want to draw 4 balloons. Now once done, you need to click on this curve shape from here, this one that is just on the left side of the oval shape, and then drag this like that. Okay, and as you can see, drag this like that. You can also change this. You just need to drag the cursor. Okay, and then like that. And for this one, okay, and then like that. So it depends on you if you want to put a curve for the tie of the balloon. So you can simply click on that, the curved line, to adjust it. Okay. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Now we need to put this one from here, this one, 4-point star. Okay, at the bottom. Then we're just going to place it here. And then, okay. Okay, like that. Then we need to put a color in it. So simply click on this one, fill, and then choose the color. I'm going to go with red first. Okay. Then let's go with pink. Let's go with yellow. And let's go with green. And that's it. You have just created or draw a balloons on your Microsoft Paint. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.